What's up, everybody? It's Investing Sensei here to bring you episode 62 of the Webull Options Adventures, where we're going to sell options and collect that premium. So as you guys probably see, is that my portfolio is looking a little bit different, and that is because I did end up selling out of my positions that I was down quite a bit. So I ended up doing some tax loss harvesting, but we'll jump into that in a little bit. But as you'll see, that the portfolio is at $28,075.27. You'll see that the profits, I guess open profits and losses, is at 3.47%, which is about $2.50. And then you'll see that our cash balance is at $28.144 and then 77 cents. And then our options buying power is at $24,644.77. So you'll see that we have plenty of buying power now, and and we did actually end up selling out of all the positions, and I will show you. So the first position that I have, which I'll show you real quick, is I actually have one cash secured put on TQQQ for a strike price of $35, and it's actually going to expire the 22nd of April, so about a month away from now. And we collected 72 cents or $72, and currently the options worth about 70 cents, so we're, I guess, up about $2.50, which is what you saw, which I guess is not $2.50, but it's really $2. But yeah, that's the current option that I do have. It's a cash secured put, a monthly cash secured put actually, and that is what I plan to do going forward. So I ended up actually doing some tax loss harvesting. There was two positions I was down quite a bit. It was Neo and Tattoo Chef. Last year I did make quite a bit of gains, and so in one of my other portfolios, and so this year I just did my taxes, and I actually had to pay, so I had to take some profits in one of my other portfolios, which is going to create obviously a taxable event. So I went ahead and just decided to go ahead and take my losses on those two positions. They were bad trades that I did. I've been back holding them, and I decided to just go ahead and do it, especially because in this portfolio it's very difficult to show the profits that we're making with options when the other two positions continue to go down or they continue to fluctuate. So it's very difficult to see that. So hopefully going forward we actually start seeing these gains going forward. Obviously we're gonna have to recover, but again, the other thing is that this is a small percentage of my overall net worth. Majority of my investments are in long-term investments. As you'll see, my dividend growth portfolio. I also have one growth portfolio that's geared towards just adding money, forgetting about it, and coming back 5-10 years from now, and looking into it. But yeah, this is a nice experiment that I have. Obviously it has not played out very well in the past 2 years, and I think there is a possibility to make really good money there. It's just that I've made the wrong, well, I guess I've been investing in the wrong companies, and I got assigned, and it's just been a bad year for those. But I think as long as we sell cash secured puts, or I guess monthly cash secured puts, and we don't get assigned, and if the price does go down below our strike price, we can always roll. As long as we continue doing that, I think we're good, as long as we also pick good companies. So I'm going to be picking a couple companies that I'm going to be selling monthly cash secured puts continuing forward, because there was actually a couple things. Well, I guess from here I'm going to jump over to the Google Sheets, but I'm going to show you there's been a couple companies that I've been making pretty good money collecting the premium and the monthly wise, and I think there's a possibility to continue growing that every single month. But real quick, before I do that, let me just go ahead and I'll show you guys all the history trades. I know somebody had requested that a while back, and I try to add that every video. But you'll see at the bottom, you'll see Neo, we sold the 400 shares. Tattoo Chef, we sold our shares, and then we actually sold a TQQQ cash secured put, and then as well we sold our TTCF again, and then we actually bought back the TQQQ option, as well as another one on the next option, which was $37.50 as our strike price. And then we also bought our AMD cash secured put. So we did a lot of buying back of our options. We were able to exit a lot of them this week. And then on the TQQQ at the end, actually on Friday, we actually sold that one, which is the one that you guys actually saw that I showed you. So we will see how this plays out, guys. We're going to continue selling cash secured puts. Let me know in the comment section, what are the companies you guys are selling monthly cash secured puts, so you guys can give me some general good ideas. I really want to just stick to blue chip companies, so let me know in the comment section. So one thing I want to show you real quick though is actually TQQQ. So let's go ahead and jump over there. I will show you. So we have Yahoo Finance pulled up, and I am actually having TQQQ here, which is currently about $53.17. And if we look at the 1 month, we do have the Bollinger Bands. Maybe the 3 months will be a little better. We do have the Bollinger Bands. You'll see that this has just been going down, but it's finally recovering. You'll see the upper bound of TQQQ is at $61.75. Lower bound is actually $39.48. So typically you want to buy, or I guess sell cash secured puts below the lower band, and that is kind of what I'm going to be planning to do. I'm hoping to pick strike prices of like $30 or $35 monthly, and we'll see how that plays out, especially because, as you'll see, we are way below the actual 50-day moving average, and as well 200-day moving average, we're also below that, so we're quite a bit down, and I think it would be good trade. So I'm gonna continue to sell cash secured puts on TQQQ. I'm also considering AMD, but yeah, let me know in the comment section which companies you guys are selling cash secured puts on. But let's jump over to the Google Sheets so I can show you all the trades. Alright guys, so we're here at the Google Sheets. As you'll see that we're gonna go ahead and do the start date so you guys can see how much we actually went ahead and took the loss on this. So on the 14th we went all the way to the 18th, and you'll see that we actually took a loss finally, and it was about $18,000. So $18,545.99. And for the credits, we made about $128.86, and we bought back this week $125.20. So gains, you'll see this is what we actually took, and gains. So it's kind of sad, that we lost that much, but I think the portfolio is going to look a little bit more solid going forward, so I am looking forward to that. If we look at the graphs, you will see that March obviously has not played out well, and that is because what I did this past week. And so, but going forward, I think it'll be good, because if we look at the past couple months, this was March, or I guess January and February, we were doing pretty good. So I think going forward, that should start doing that amount, and we don't have any laggers where we are down quite a bit, any baggers, and so I think it'll be a lot better. So we'll see how that plays out. But if we look at the weekly performance, 93, you saw how much we lost, which brings our total to $28,133.14. You'll see down here, this is what we are down, and then after capital, well, I guess after taxes, and then if we look really quick at the credits, here's the things that I really wanted to show you, which was, here's the cash secured puts we had. We bought them back at a profit, and then we bought this one back at a profit. And then guys, the AMD one, we also bought that back at a profit, and then this one we held it for 2 days, and we also bought this one back at a profit. So we did quite a bit of buying back, and then towards the end we ended up placing this cash secured put. It's open right now. It's a monthly one. We will see. I think we'll make pretty good money off of it. If we look at the debits, you'll see we actually sold out of these, and then here's the ones where we purchased back our options, and so that was pretty good. If we look at the gains, here's where most of the losses were. So here's how I ended up losing most of my money there. But I'm very excited for next week. Well, I guess really I'm excited for April to start off, and start off this month that is right here, and we're just gonna see that go up and up, which I'm really looking forward to. And then if we look at current buys, there's actually nothing for current buys. But yeah guys, this is actually all I have for you in this video. Let me know which companies you are selling cash secured puts, monthly cash secured puts, in the comment section. And if you have not done so, be sure that you're subscribed with that bell notification, so you can get notified when I upload new videos. And just follow the journey as we go. I do also make other videos with my dividend growth portfolio. But yeah, I will see you guys in the next video. Take care, stay safe out there. Bye guys.